Hi, welcome to Sweet Home Design Channel. If you like more inspirations to home decor, please consider to be part of this channel by subscribing. Did ever wondered how professional interior designers style shelves to perfection? Well, it's not just about arranging books and trinkets. Shelf styling is a nuanced art form that can elevate the aesthetics of any room. It's the subtle blend of texture, color, and proportion that brings life to those wooden planks. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or a total beginner, the art of shelf styling is a skill you can master. In this video, I will show you a lot of visual examples and the rules to shelves decor, so you can get inspired and empowered with the knowledge to do-it-yourself project. So are you ready to unveil the secrets? When you start to plan out your shelves decoration, do a little inspiration searching online. Define a style and color palette that is relate to the rest of your house decor. Before you start, empty all the surfaces that you will decorate. Grab all the items that you think that can work in your decor close to you, and start position them in various ways to find one that you like better. First on the list, the rule of 3. Sounds mysterious, doesn't it? Well, it's actually quite simple and a well-loved secret among interior design pros. The rule of 3 is all about creating harmony and balance by grouping items in threes. Let's delve a bit deeper. Imagine your shelf as a stage and the items as actors. Now, instead of having all the actors scattered randomly, you group them in trios. This doesn't mean all items should be identical, no. It's about arranging 3 related items together. They could vary in height, texture, or color, but they should share a common thread, perhaps a similar theme, function, or style. This principle of threes is a clever way to create visual interest, rhythm, and balance. It's like a magic formula that instantly makes your shelves look organized and stylish. Make a big triangle when placing items on the shelves too. So remember, when in doubt, group in threes. It's a simple trick that can make a world of difference. Next up, let's talk about mixing and matching. Variety is the spice of life, and your shelves should reflect that. When it comes to styling shelves like a pro, it's all about variation. You want to create a harmonious blend of different elements to keep the eye intrigued and engaged. Think about size. You'll want a blend of large, medium, and small items to create visual interest. And don't forget about shape. Mix round items with square ones, tall with short, fat with thin. This juxtaposition of shapes can really add an unexpected twist to your shelf decor. Now, let's talk textures. Soft, hard, glossy, matte. The more the merrier. Different textures can add depth and personality to your shelves that would otherwise be missing. Your shelves are the perfect place to showcase your personal style. With a mix of books, trinkets, and personal items, your shelves will be far from boring. Make them a feast for the eyes and a reflection of you. Last but not least, let's talk about balance. After all, what's good styling without a sense of equilibrium? Balance in shelf styling is all about ensuring your arrangement feels grounded. It's about not letting one side become too heavy, either visually or physically. It's the art of creating a visual symmetry, even when the objects themselves aren't symmetrical. Achieving balance might require some trial and error, but once you get it right, you'll see how it brings harmony to your shelves and your room as a whole. Here are some of my favorites when coming on shelves decor. Books, decorative objects like small sculptures or family heirlooms, vases and pots, artwork and family photos, boxes, greenery and flowers, baskets, bowls, candle holder. But remember not to crowd your shelves. Leave some empty spaces so you can appreciate the items that are in display. After you finish, take one picture of the whole project and analyze if it achieved the look that you desire. With this rules, you will be able to stylish any shelves in your house. Thanks for watching.